So today's video is for those of you who want to learn about pricing. Maybe you've tried to sell your photography and you're just not getting any sales, or you just truly just don't know where to start. I'm going to give you all the gist on how to get started with pricing and then move up in your pricing as you go on in your photography business. So with that said, let's get to it. Today's video is brought to you from South Dakota, and it is actually 2 degrees right now, so we are in the motorhome. But I hope you enjoy these images and come back to South Dakota when it gets warmer so you can photograph this beautiful state. If you're new here, I help macro landscape nature photographers build their photography business of their dreams while I share beautiful places for you to photograph. So in the beginning of my photography career, what I did was I researched other photographers and checked out how much were they selling their photography for. Basically, I looked at what I was doing, what I wanted to sell, and how much they were charging for what I wanted to do. These people were already in business, already had testimonials, and I just basically copied their pricing range for where they were at in their career. And that was a big fail. And basically my prices were too high for me just starting off. So I'm going to share with you what I've learned over the years and help you not make the same mistakes that I have made. And my goal for this channel is for you to have a profitable photography business. So with that said, I truly believed in tier marketing. So I'll explain that. Now, if you don't know who Peter Lick is, go look him up. He's amazing. And he is an excellent businessman. And he's the one that really got me to understand tiered photography pricing. So let me give you an example of what tiered pricing is. You have a base, and as people are buying the image or images that you sell, each time you increase your pricing. For example, if you were to look at Peter Lick's portfolio, you'll know that the images are at a certain price, and after 5 are sold, then the price goes up. After 10 are sold, or say he only has 10 left, then each time maybe 4's left, the price goes up. 3's left, it goes 3 left. That is for a limited edition, then the price will go up until there's only one image for limited edition. The price will go up as the very top, and of course he will sign. Now, we're not all Peter Lick, so we got to start somewhere. So that's what I want to help you with. The way that you can build the price of your photography doesn't have to be limited edition. This is about your business. I was just giving you Peter Lick's information, but this is just about business itself. So what you want to do is you want to start by building testimonials. You want to show people that you deliver what you say you're going to deliver to your client, or companies, depending on who you're working with, sharing that they're happy and excited for what you provided, and that hopefully they will keep working with you again. It's all about trust. Now, before you jump off of this video, because again, I am going to give you pricing, so just be patient. I want you to understand the concept. And I hear this all the time. So many photographers are like, please don't give your photography away. No, you don't. But in the beginning, if you have no testimonials or no proof of what you do, then I personally will step out of everyone else's boxes and I will say, do at least 1 or 2 freebies to build trust and show what you do. So basically you get a client, say I get on the phone with a client or connect with a client and say, or a potential client, say, I would love to work with you. I'm trying to build my testimonials for my website to show that I am truly valued. Would you work with me? Before you actually give the freebie though, what I want you to do is dream your high ticket. What would you love to make? What is the ultimate goal of your high ticket? That means, what is the ultimate goal that you would like to sell one image for? whether it's a business, your business to a person, or your business to another business. I'll tell you right now, in the end, they're going to pay you that amount of money because you're going to be trusted and you're going to be valued for what you do. But we have to build upon this. Let's talk about the freebie. Now, if you want to work with other businesses, that's where you want to go, then you start off with a brand new business. Go find some businesses that you would truly like to work with, but they are brand new. And you will work and collaborate with each other. And you will offer one freebie with their help. This is not just to give them a freebie. This is for you to learn. And they're getting this freebie because they're giving you their time. And you're going to interview them as you work on the process and after. You're going to ask them, why did you want what I blank? Blank is what you provided to them. Why did you want a 24 by 36 metal print from me? Why did you want to license this image? Blah, 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 right? How can I improve what I've given you? How much would you pay for what I've provided? And any other questions that come to your mind, it's time for you to ask and get the feedback from this one freebie that you are offering to this client. You will get so much information. It is so worth your time. So what you want to do now is just offer one piece at cost. And what that means is, what did it cost you to make? Did you drive and use gas? Did you print a 24 by 36 metal print? What actually came out of your pocket to make this? And you're telling them again, this next client, that you're giving them this at cost because, yes, you need their help. And you're going to ask all the questions that I provided to you in the beginning, and you're going to connect with these people and you're going to write it all down. You're going to get some great information. You're going to ask for testimonial, pictures, anything that you can get from them to prove that you're valued and you're trusted. After that, we're going to build it up again. Now you're going to charge 2 times the cost. Get a testimonial. Charge 3 times the cost. Get a testimonial. See how that's working? We're building your dream pricing. By this time, you should have about 4 testimonials, and you should be very confident on what you're providing because you've gotten all this information from these people. And you know exactly now what your high ticket offer, what you're going to provide, how you're going to provide it. It's just amazing. You will build so much confidence. You are proving to people that you are worth what you do. Remember, we do not sell 24 by 36s. We sell emotions. You're not a stock agency. You're actually working with a company or a person. You're valued for what you do, and you share with them the efforts that you've put into this. When it comes to cost, it's more about you providing the images or the prints and the mailing and all that. But there is a great software program called PhotoQuote. It's business to business, and it gives you all the information of how much it would cost for, say, licensing to a company that needs it for a marketing campaign, or they need it for some of their boxes. There's so many things that you can use when it comes to licensing, but there is a base of what everybody is paying, and then what I say is you go a little bit lower when you first start off, and you start off with a brand new company again, brand new, working together, just like you did freebie to freebie, but now you're going to charge them. You're just going to charge them a little bit lower, and you're going to tell them that I'm only doing this because I really would love your help and your testimonial, and give me feedback because I'm building upon my business. And businesses are great because they totally understand that. Test it out and make sure you communicate. Don't just spray your stuff out and say, this is how much it costs. You really will bring these testimonials up to par. Your clients will pay you more because you are climbing up that ladder, and your prices will always become higher and higher. So if you've noticed, we are a little different. I have not given you pricing like a wedding photographer that has these packages. Just give the one pricing offer, and if the client can afford it or they want something different, they will communicate with you. They will email you. I have gotten so many emails, and still do to this day, on, can I get this at a lower price? Or can I maybe not have a metal print and just this kind of print? Time for you to say yes or no. It's your business. Don't follow or don't chase the money. The pricing is about being valued and working with the right people that you want to work with. Don't chase the money. Now, if you have questions that I have not said, maybe there's something that I've missed, please ask them down below. Or if you'd like another video a little bit more structured on the next level, that's fine. I can do that for you too. Okay, since you stayed with me all the way to the end, I'm going to put up my pricing. You can do a screen capture of this, of how to do the basics. And I hope this helps you feel confident about pricing your work, because again, you are valued. If you like this information, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And again, talk to me down in the comments. I love to chat with you guys. All right, you have a great day. Until next week, I will see you later. Cheers.